Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna make a new video and it's gonna be my first tutorial, and it's a tutorial on how to solve this Pyraminx. Let's zoom out there. So for this Pyraminx there's a few steps, and the first one is to solve all of these tips. So you're always gonna have it so they're one turn away from solving so that they match up these pieces. Don't worry about these pieces right here yet. Just worry about these right here. So solve all these tips so they match up like that. And that one too. And there we go. All the tips are solved. Okay, now on to the second step. So for the second step, you're gonna want all of these parts to be of the same color to be on the same side. So you're gonna find one of these, let's say you should start on the yellow side. And so you'll find the logo, and then you'll find the piece around it that's like this, and you're gonna turn it so it's next to it like that. And remember, don't worry about these pieces yet. So then you're gonna take this piece and move it up, and now don't worry about these pieces again, but now if you look closely, right there, and there, those are all solved. So now you're on to the next step, which will have our first algorithm. So now you're gonna want to worry about these. So you're going to let's say blue. So find the blue and yellow edge piece and put it on the blue side. Put the yellow side of the edge onto the blue side, which has blue right here. And then, so you're gonna move it up like that to make sure that it matches like that, so then you can put it in. So here's our first algorithm. So you're gonna want to go like this. So so for this one, it's right on the left side. So you're going to want to go like L prime, R, L, R prime. And see how all that matches up now? Like that. Now you're on to the next part, which let's do green. So on green, you see this piece here, right? So you're putting the yellow edge on the green side, and then it's under it, and if you turn it up, you can see it matches up like that. Like that, and so put it back down, and then we're gonna do the algorithm again. So it's L prime, R, L, R prime. And see how now these match up? Now there's only one more to solve the first layer. So now you're gonna check again, it's already placed. So let's say it was like this. You find the piece, there it is, and then you put it under the yellow with it right there. And make sure it's the red one, or whichever color that you're doing. And then we're going to do the algorithm again, but wait, don't forget to check. So yes, it does match up. So we're going to do the algorithm once more. L prime, R, L, R prime. And see how you have this whole first layer? Well, now you're on to the next step. So see these? See how it doesn't match up these little pieces here? Like that. Well, it does down here, like that. And so now you're gonna wanna match it, turn it until it has it showing these all on the same side. And so then you're going to choose a side. Let's choose red. So there's this red and green edge piece right under this green and red side. So it's on the right side because it's under the red side on the green side, and red is on green right now, so it's right. And then you're going to do another algorithm, but check it. Yeah, it does. So now you're just going to do the opposite of that algorithm, like this. So like, sorry for that camera wobbling there. But so you're going to take this edge piece and do this algorithm. R, L prime, R, and then you're going to do L. Sorry for those people in the car over there. They were just driving on by the road. Okay, so then you have that red area solved, but don't worry about this yellow side getting scrambled. You're just worrying on this other side right now. And so you're going to take it over around and find another red piece, or whichever color you're working on. So if you look, you can see that this edge piece is not on the blue side. It's under red, but it's not on the blue side. It's on green. So we're gonna move it, and now it's under red on the blue side. So you're going to now do the first algorithm I showed you, like this. So L prime, R, L, R prime. And then you can get a case like this, and then you can just, boom, done. But sometimes, let me just scramble it up a bit so it will, I can show you some other cases. Still scrambling this up and getting it to another case. So you could get a case where it's like this. So it could be like this, and you find it like that, and you can turn it so it looks like that, where these right there all around match up. And so then you see it right there, and if you look around, it has the same pattern. So you see this green side, right? And then blue is to the right. Well, blue is facing you on this green side, so you're going to want to do the left side of this algorithm. So you're going to want to do it like this. That is L prime, and then U, L, U, L prime, U, L. And then it solved that case, but sometimes, so you can come here and hold on, let me get it a bit better. And so it's on the green again, and it has blue, right? Again, but this time the blue side is not on the right side, yellow is. And then blue is on the left side. So now you're gonna do the right side of the algorithm, because remember, you're turning that away from blue to get the algorithm done faster. So you're going to wanna do it like this now. So R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. And then there you go. So those are some beginner cases. And that is it for my Pyraminx tutorial. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.